ready?
Yes.
I'm Stella.
And I'm Stella Chapel.
And this is Laundry and Bourbon by James McLure. So, what are you in a frenzy about?
Today, I went to live in hell.
What did you do?
I went shopping with my children.
Bad, huh?
Disastrous. When my kids hit a department store, they go berserk. I think it activated something in their brain. We hadn't been to JCPenney 5 minutes before they ran in all directions. Now take my little share.
Uh-huh.
Now she's a sweet little thing who wasn't hurt. She's a thief. It started face faxes with my daughter's a kleptomaniac. As soon as we got into that store, she started stuffing her pockets, stuffing her clothes. She ran away from me, and I saw her 10 minutes later. I barely recognized my only daughter. She looked like a beach ball with legs.
Where was Vernon Jr. all this time?
In the hardware department,
Doing what?
chasing his brother with a hammer.
Chasing little Roger?
Yes,
What was little Roger doing?
screaming. Lord, and somehow, Vernon Jr. broke a solid steel JCPenney hammer.
You know I'll take him. Anytime you need a rest.
How they couldn't do it? You may guilty conscience. How's everything? How's Roy?
Oh, you know Roy.
Yeah, I know Roy.
Quit gritting, you don't know him that
I've known Roy my whole life.
well. Yeah, but you didn't really get to know until high school when we did Wayne Wilder. We'd all go double dating in Roy's Thunderbird. Sometimes I think he loves that car more than me.
It's only a car.
Yeah, but he says it can take him where he wants to go.
That's stupid. Where would he want to go?
I don't think he has any idea.
Well, good. Better get back to this laundry and never finish.
I'd like to just burn everything in this basket and start all over. Everything except this shirt.
But that shirt's all frayed.
It is now, but I remember the first time Roy wore this shirt.
When was that?
On our first date, he drove up in that pink Thunderbird with this shirt with all the pearl buttons. He looked just like Paul Newman and Hud.
Whew, it's hot out here. Lordy, how's a body supposed to keep cool?
Nothing to do but fix a bourbon and Coke and just sit and sweat.
I can't do that.
You can't sweat?
No, but it's a drink in the afternoon in front of the kids.
What do?
I give them a soft pill and say, play outside.
Don't they collapse from heat prostration?
Anything to calm down.
I wish you'd let me take them sometime.
Elizabeth, you're not used to kids. The strain would kill you. Elizabeth, what are you looking up that road for?
No reason. There's nothing to see.
That's the truth. Nothing green to look at. God, it's depressing to live on the edge of the desert.
I like this land, but sometimes it gets too hot and burnt for people. It's still too wild and hard for anything to grow.
Oh, look, Hattie. What is it?
Look at that cloud. It's a cloud. Yeah, but look how it's throwing a shadow across land. Doesn't that shadow look cool? Doesn't it look peaceful gliding over the land? It reminds me of a cool, dark hand stroking a hot surface. Lately, I felt so hot and hollow inside. I wanted something to come along and touch me like that.
What's the matter with you?
Nothing, Hattie. Nothing.
You're doing it again. You're staring out of that hill. There ain't nothing to see up there except the highway and the road up to the house. Now what are you expecting to see?
I was hoping to see a 1959 pink Thunderbird convertible come over that hill.
Don't tell me it's nothing. You've got tears in your eyes. What is it?
Roy's been gone for 2 days.
That's someone. No wonder you've been so weird. Here, sit yourself down. I'm gonna fix you a drink, and you're gonna tell me all about it.
I don't want more to drink.
Hush up. Hattie's taking care of you now. Well, what brought it on this time?
I don't know. Things haven't been the same since he came back.
From Vietnam?
Yeah.
I know, I've seen the changes, but believe me, you've been perfect about it.
I haven't been anything. I haven't done anything. He's the one that went off for 2 years. He's the one who got shot up. He's the one that has nightmares.
Nightmares? What about?
He doesn't know what. He says everything's changed here in Maynard.
Nothing's changed in Maynard since the Civil War. I just want him back the way it used to be. Elizabeth, he's always been wild and unmanageable.
I don't want to manage him. I don't want to break his spirit. That's why I married him. His spirit. Roy Collier wasn't going to take no crap from anybody or anything. Him and Wayne Wilder were going to shake up the world.
Need I remind you that Wayne Wilder is currently serving 10 years for car theft?
Roy's different than Wayne.
I wouldn't be so sure.
I just wish I knew where he was. He could be hurt.
Or he could be with another woman.
Any man worthwhile is going to look at other women. That's natural. Sometimes they wander a bit.
Last year, he took off for 5 days.
Yeah. You know, so quite a time.
You mean he told you what he did?
It was different then. We had a fight and left in a huff. Drove down to El Paso. Picked up a girl hitchhiking.
What was her name?
Patty, how should I know? She was a hitchhiker.
Well, tramp, probably.
Oh yeah. And there was one other thing.
What?
She had a tattoo.
God, where? On her behind. How disgusting. What did it say?
Born to be wild. Then before I went down to El Paso, bought a 4-day poker game, won $100 and came on home.
Didn't you want to shoot him?
Yeah, I would have. I thought it was what he needed to get something out of his system. For a while it seemed to work.
You know, half his trouble is that damn car of his.
What do you mean?
He gets behind the wheel, and he thinks he's the cock of the walk. Best looking thing in these parts.
He still is. Oh, I remember the first time Roy and Wayne drove through the center of town in my car. The sun off the hood was just blinding. You couldn't even see the car. But then it passed in one shadow and I saw it, and it was so beautiful. Roy hardly knew me then, but he waved at me, and I just dropped my vanilla cone right there on the pavement. And I knew he was the one.
And off to high school, we double dated.
God, I want them back. Everything was cool and free, and we were driving away from this stupid town. The wind coming at you, and stars going all the way to the horizon, like diamonds stretching all the way till dawn. Being off from town with the boy that you love better than anything else in your whole life.
Elizabeth, you're getting all sentimental romantic. That happened to me once. I let a man run all over me.
What did you do?
I wrote a poem. You? Yep, worst day of my life. Never do it again.
What was your poem about, Patty?
It was about Wayne Wilder. He was a mean person. It was a mean poem. You and Roy was getting married, and Wayne Wilder was jilting. I went out back to the girls' gym and cried and wrote a poem. I still remember it to this day. Oh, Wayne, you don't know I loved you so well. You son of a bitch was roasted hell. But then I got practical. Dad's always been. Or Vern. Never hit him.
What are you telling me this for?
He was just like Wayne. He ain't never gonna change.
Maybe you're right.
Elizabeth, I've known you my whole life, and I know you want a marriage and kids. Am I right?
Yeah.
We can't leave the important things like marriage and kids up to the men folk. Now, if Roy straightens up, that's one thing. But if not, you've got to make a decision.
Maybe it's already been made for me.
What do you mean?
Nothing, Patty. Forget I said that.
Well, that means nothing. You're pregnant, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, Elizabeth, that's wonderful.
What's wonderful about it? It comes at the worst possible time.
Don't you see? It's the best possible time. This is the thing to make her straighten up and fly right.
And if it doesn't,
then to hell with him.